folks. This is some of the Section 8 gaming area, which you can see. Have a quick look around, then we will walk down past all the cars into the safe zone where the first game of the day is about to kick off. There's a game brief on right now. Marshals tell all the players the safety rules, etc. before any games start. There's some nice cars here today, so we'll take a look at some of them as we go down. In case you're a car fiend. Nice Audi. It's a very nice day today. Not too hot, not too cold, just perfect for airsoft. I'll try and speed up the step here because I want to show you the safe zone with all the players. Nice BMW. Because there's no massive car park here, a lot of the players have to park in this road, which is a forest logging road. Subaru, very nice. Nice Porsche. Audi. Nice van. Some publicity for the company. Another nice BMW. Good wheels. Honda CR-V. Nice little VW. Another nice little Audi A2. Oh, very good BMW. Good wheels as well. There's a car coming down behind me, so I'm going to move over and let the lady out. She must have been dropping somebody off to play today. Nice Mercedes. That's the Section 8 testing zone if you want to zero in your gun or whatever. Do a lot of the interviews over there. And this is a small parking area, really for marshals and regulars here. Very nice BMW. This is actually one of the main guys that you see in a lot of my videos, Michael from the Czech Republic. Mercedes van, Mercedes Jeep, or four-wheel drive, whatever you call them. Suzuki, a few Land Rovers and Jeeps up there. That's the safe zone, and here's the players.
Because someone's genuinely been injured. No blind fire is a rule that we have, so you need to be able to see down the sights. Shooting like this, that's blind fire. You can't see what you're shooting at. Please don't do it. No BBs less than 2 grand, poor quality, brightly coloured ones, generally bought at market stalls, town shops, that sort of thing. Please don't use them on site, they're dangerous. No mags in guns in the safe zone. We've got signs up everywhere. We will be checking, but please, if you see someone with a mag in the gun in the safe zone, tell us, sort it out. No mags in guns until the game starts. Marshals will shout lock and load. At the end of the game, remove mags, clear guns by shooting them into the ground or clear up in the air. Safety's on. Minimum engagement distance, less than 10 metres, which is me too. John, can you put your hand up? That's 10 metres. If it's less than that, semi only. Minimum engagement distance for bolt actions and DMRs, 30 metres, so 3 times that. Anyone here running the DMR today?
So that's the game brief. I think there's about 120 players in sight, so it should be a very good day. And this is the check-in desk. You can get something to eat up here, book in, pick up hire guns. Hi Ricky.
How you doing?
Good to see you, pal.
Good to see you.
Busy
Busy day.
It is a very busy day, looks good. I'll just put the camera off.